Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Now, we are playing Gmod today. Yeah. I thought that we could try to stop this train right here. Wait. The reason why I'm going slow is because there's those things. The thing that we just passed by, they're like cars that go on tracks. Because sometimes they can mess up really badly. But I think I'm gonna speed because either way, it's probably gonna wreck. So, here we go. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Dang. It even blew up some cars. Made that. Dun 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 dun. Okay, never mind. This one has that. Oh, it's this one. Let's try to make this thing on fire. There we go. Alright, I guess we could try again. But this time I'm gonna put them more closer together. So maybe I'm not science, so I don't know. Maybe it can call fraction. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's the right thing to use. I think it's either called traction or fraction, or like they're trying to stop something. Alright. Now I'm gonna try to get a faster. No, I'm just gonna keep the one I have. Alright. I might even put a train in it. Okay. Let me just get this. Just go ahead. No, okay, well. Now, it's not all of them. Now we gotta put this. Alright. Let's put more. Let's put a race car on it. Yeah. Oh. 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 Alright. Carbon. Let's put that here, I guess. Let's put like normal cars now. The train won't be able to stop it this time. The train will not go past this time. Alright. Probably this one and the one next to it, and I'll be it. These trains, I don't really know how to work them. So we're just gonna do this train since I know how to work it. And it's just gonna be for me. Alright, let's do this. No. Alright, let's try this again. Do you think the cars are gonna win? Or do you think this guy's gonna win? What happened last time? With that much colors in this train, I think this train's gonna win. Oh! Oh! No! You gotta be joking. Darn Let's try this one more time. Alright, let's check for damage. Looks like it didn't make here. But it caught this guy on fire. That's has to be a achievement. Was the things like this before? Definitely not. Alright, that was completely broke. This guy is like broken. Yep. Alright. Oh god. Darn it. Alright, looks like he got laggy. Everything's in error now. Okay. Well, you know, I do want to drive that race car, even if it does have error on it. Where is it? Here it is. Alright. Oh, nice. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you later. Goodbye and have a great day.